Hey everyone! The DJI Power 1000 Mini enters the portable power station market as a carefully balanced solution for users who want serious capacity without the bulk of a full-size power plant. Positioned between compact power banks and heavy-duty portable stations, it feels tailored for creators, drone pilots, campers, and remote workers who need reliable energy on the go, but still care about portability. After the launch of the Power 1000 V2 and its rollout to markets like Europe in mid-2025, the Mini represents DJI's effort to shrink the concept without compromising the essentials. At the core of the Power 1000 Mini is a 1,000 watt-hours lithium iron phosphate battery, a chemistry known for long lifespan and improved safety. DJI rates the battery to retain at least 80% of its original capacity after 4,000 charge cycles, which suggests the unit is designed for years of frequent use rather than occasional emergencies. With a power output rated at 1,000 watt and a sustained load of 800 watt, the Mini comfortably handles mid-power devices such as laptops, monitors, cameras, charging hubs, and of course, DJI drones and their batteries. What really sets the Power 1000 Mini apart from the larger Power 1000 V2 is its physical footprint. Weighing 11.5 kilos and measuring 314 by 212 by 216 millimeters, it is significantly more compact and easier to transport than its bigger sibling. The difference is noticeable the moment you pick it up, and the built-in carry handle reinforces its grab-and-go nature. It feels less like a stationary backup system and more like something you can realistically move between locations without much effort. DJI also introduces some thoughtful design changes, most notably the retractable USB-C cable integrated directly into the body. This cable supports bidirectional charging at up to 100 watt, allowing the Power 1000 Mini to both charge devices and be charged via USB-C without hunting for extra cables. Alongside this, the port selection includes two 12-watt USB-A ports, an additional 100-watt USB-C port, two AC output sockets, and an SD port. While the number of AC outlets is reduced compared to the Power 1000 V2, the selection still feels adequate for the intended use case, especially for users relying more on USB-powered gear. Charging performance is another strong point. For a power station in this size class, the recharge speeds are impressively fast. DJI claims the battery can reach 80% in under an hour, with a full charge completed in just 75 minutes using AC power. The unit also supports charging via solar panels and USB-C input, adding flexibility for outdoor and off-grid scenarios where wall power isn't available. Practical extras round out the experience. The built-in LED light is a small but welcome addition for camping, nighttime setups, or power outages, and the inclusion of an SOS flashing mode adds a layer of emergency usefulness. These details reinforce the idea that the Power 1000 Mini is designed for real-world situations rather than just spec sheets. In China, the DJI Power 1000 Mini launches at $359, making it a very competitive option for a 1,000 watt-hours lithium iron phosphate power station. While DJI has not yet confirmed availability in other regions, the combination of compact design, fast charging, long battery lifespan, and thoughtful features suggests that the Power 1000 Mini could become one of the most attractive mid-size portable power stations once it reaches global markets. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.